Cialis, also known as Tadalafil, is commonly prescribed for erectile dysfunction, but like any medication, it can cause side effects. Common side effects include headache, indigestion, back pain, muscle aches, flushing, and a stuffy or runny nose. These effects are often mild and may improve with time. However, some symptoms require immediate medical attention. If you experience chest pain, severe dizziness, sudden vision or hearing changes, or an erection lasting 4 hours or longer, seek emergency medical care. Cialis can also interact dangerously with nitrate medications used for chest pain, potentially causing a serious drop in blood pressure. Never combine Cialis with nitrates, and always take Tadalafil only as directed by your healthcare professional.